channel. This is going to be the first build I'm going to be doing on this channel. I've actually already completed this build, but due to some stuff that happened, I've been unable to post any of this footage. Anyways, this is a 2005 Yamaha Roadstar 1700 that I will be turning into a bobber. I decided to go with the 1700 platform just because you don't see them being bobbed out as often. More commonly you would see a V-Star 650 or 1100 because they are easier to work on. And I may do another video discussing this sometime in the future. But I bought this vehicle from a guy who had the bike standing for a little over a year. It wouldn't crank, so I replaced the battery and had to clear out the fuel pump, and after that it started right up. I did ride it back about 3.5 hours in 32-degree weather, and it ran great without any issues. It did have about 10,500 miles on it when I got it. Other than the bike being dirty, it was in great condition cosmetically and mechanically. Anyways, this is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick little overview of what this build is going to be about. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.